Kesorkar jela hakas ni palai jong katayo kala pentip bakal ada ban pakten sa kesorkar India ban pensengau ya kejin kuat ya keren ya sukno jong kaken hun king atiar neutrap National Liberation Council kaken hun kabela sakhen bi an mentala bon snem namar ki kampentrium hangni harilum khasi bat jantia.
Kania kesur jong kesorkar kala miru hadian kejingkeren patba jong keseng BJP Meghalaya Mondal. Bakentu ya kesorkar jela ban khot ekran sukno ya kene kekenhun. Bat bakal long kebakloiru ban raktien cuk menteri rang badu kari bat cuk menteri korbardi kesorkar pedeng nagbenta ban la ban rakno HNLC syakamiet ekran suk. Habai keren bagilat pathai kubor usembut menteri rang ba kejela uba prestun tunsong uleh thok ba kesorkar keladap paktien bat paru kejing ajing mut syak kesorkar India hadin kejing opdiang ya kejing ai ktien bak HNLC kakwa ban ekran sukno. Halor kajing dawa jong ke HNLC bak kejing ekran suk kamdai bandan kanu kejing te kendon. Na kaliang usembut menteri rang ba ulong bak HNLC kadai keseng kepala syak bean. Bat karai ban khot ekran bat karai ban te kendon ne on te kendon kasyong kesorkar India. Habakeli ya kanong rem jong kesorkar jela kabedai bak kejing terwai ekran suk jong ke HNLC. Uni menteri sorkar ulong bak kejing khang jong kesorkar kaple kene kekenhun king atiar banwan syakamiet ekran suk. Henry kini kekenhuan kadai ban sange syuai ki kam senam bat barok ki kam pentriam ban la ban penurlong ya kejing ekran suk.
Yeah, no. See, ultimately now, because as of today, HNLC organization has been banned. Okay? Banned. Then, if you talk about the negotiation or discussion across the table, because this notification came in not from the state government, it is from the central government. We have already communicated to the central government because we receive feelers also from the government side. We have already communicated now to the central government, and the central government will take a call on that. Whether conditional or unconditional, I think it is too early to say anything on that, because now the ball is in the central government's court. So let the central government work it out as normally done, as per the prescribed norms, done to other ban organization. So we have to go as per that guidelines. The stand of the government is very clear. Please stop violence, and then the door will be open for talks. If in one hand you continue your violent activities, in one hand you said we want to have a peace talk, I think that is not fair. That's what we appeal, we request them, stop violent activities, illegal activities, and then yes, talk should happen.